Hello guys, my name is Levan and I'm a guide of the free walking tours. So probably you can recognize the something what is the behind of me. This is a peace bridge. Exactly. I guess like if you've been in Tbilisi once, you're been like on this bridge, and this is like a well known as well, the glass bridge. So 2010 they built the modern bridge in Old Town. So most of the Georgian people was kind of disappointed, but now everybody used to it. So we are used to it. We like that. We like the shape. We like how beautiful is like merged with the Old Town, which is like exactly next to it. So when you cross this bridge, and once you should to do that, definitely check it out the view from there. Or we can check right now. Let's go. So how I told you, like this bridge is from outside, from inside, it's a really beautiful. Now it's like a really sunny day, really beautiful light and shadows. And what is important, guys, when you're on this bridge, you have like a 360 degrees view from here, from the old town, like to the Old Town, and as well like other side. So I guess like you will enjoy it to be here at evening as well, because here is like a beautiful illumination, really beautiful illumination. So I recommend, if you are in Tbilisi, definitely visit in the evening, like around the 7-8. It will be unbelievable beautiful from the park side as well, from inside as well. So behind of me, probably you can find really interesting two buildings. One is like down, it's like tubes. This is a concept and futuristic concept of the concert hall and exhibition hall. It's not finished from inside, finished from outside. It's a little bit weird, and somehow like a Georgian people not used to see this kind of thing here, but we hope so it will be better when they finish from inside as well. So let's just see. Probably when you visit in Tbilisi, it's already will be finished. I hope so. So let's check it out. What is there up there? First of all, it looks like, I know some people is called like a Bundestag, like German parliament, but it is not. It's a like kind of White House. It's more close to the idea because it's exactly was the president's administration's place where the administration was working. So nowadays, Georgia is not anymore president ruling country. We are parliament ruling country, so president is not the first person. This building is empty, and for ceremonial meetings mostly. What is important, the last president who was sitting here, George Margvelashvili, nowadays he's sitting at home, and actually what is important, he have an Airbnb apartment. He hosts on Airbnb. So as far as you come in Tbilisi, and it happens soon, I'm pretty sure, you can stay with the ex-president, which is a nice opportunity. Are you agree with that? Yeah? That's it. What I want to say for now. Thank you so much to watching us, and don't forget to subscribe our channel, as well donate us, and donation link you can find below of the video. Thank you so much again. See you soon.